Good morning, sir.
Yeah, guys. Are you can able to develop any, queries as I told you on yesterday? You guys tried to build any queries?
Yes, sir. I tried for O2C cycle. I
Okay.
tried to connect the tables in the different modules.
Can you show for us?
Just a second, sir.
Yeah, same, sir. I also tried for O2C cycle.
Yeah, you guys can share and show for us what you're done.
Just a second, sir. I'm sharing. Uh, this was the order. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yeah.
So this was the order number which I took by first giving this OE order headers all command. From there, I
Mhm.
selected one of the order which was already there just to see the flow. Then I connected this header salt table and line salt table,
Mhm.
and then I went for delivery details by giving this join source header ID, which
Mhm.
I got from lines table.
Okay.
And then from there, I went to this RA customer TRX all.
Okay.
Uh, and these were the tables which were affected in the when I did the
No, no. Just I'm clear. Let me. I'm clear on this. So I want the information from the. Let me. Thanks for your effort, Venkat. Let me. I'll share my screen.
yes,
Give me that order number.
order number is 69574.
So, 69.
574. 574, sir.
So what I'm expecting, right? I want to see these all details in the if I'm passing the order number, I won't see the all information along with this payment terms, warehouse, and these two columns. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I want this all the information along with line details also.
I understand, sir.
Okay.
For
This is
that,
I'm expecting.
yes,
I don't want to see these what is the column in the header and the shipment delivery details. I just you can write a query for the in the order header information and line information based upon the you are passing as a parameter. Parameter nothing but the you are passing in the condition like which is you are going to filtering. I want this information.
okay, sir.
You guys are all are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please create and send me on WhatsApp. Yesterday created new group, right? Please send me that in that group.
Okay, sir.
Just don't send a whole query. Just you can copy in a text file or a text file. You can copy it and send me the text file only, and you can address your names. Okay. Then let me. I'll check. Otherwise, I will check with the in the class itself only. Tomorrow, anyhow, I will take on tomorrow 2 hours. Okay.
Okay, sir. So for the entire cycle, right?
Oh, entire cycle. Just you can start with the order header information and line information. You will get so many columns and so many tables. It will cover.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyone having doubt?
So for
What?
whatever record we are filling, so for that we have to go to help and diagnostic and examine and find the.
Help record history. You can able to see this view. This view having contain multiple tables. Again, I'll show you. First, you need to prepare a try to build an a query. Okay.
Yes.
OA order headers all information. Okay. In the OA order headers information now. You can see this is described as it. Okay.
Yes.
Just try to understand, guys. Okay. You can see here in the header column, you can able to see the multiple tables. You can see the all the tables and whichever you want required, you can join those conditions, those data you can pick. Okay. So I want the customer name, customer number and customer name, customer PO details and customer contact, order number, order type, date of order, and salesperson and price list is not required to me. And bill to and ship to location, I want in the header information, I want this information. I'll repeat once again, just so you can note it down also. I want the customer number, customer PO number, and contact details, and as well as order number, order type, date of order, and price list, and status. This bill to ship to location, this information in the header level, and go to the line level. If I pass this order number, I won't see this information along with in the line details. In the line details, I want to see the what is the order item and as well as how much of quantity and what is the unit of measure and unit price and as well as status of this order. Status of order this we can see the status that is a close. So I want to see this information on next class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll start in basics of Oracle application in the EBS. So anybody know what is the ERP? Why you are learning on Oracle applications? Anyone knows?
Sir, it is a resource planning.
Okay. I mean ERP, right? That is you are
Yes, sir.
saying on RP only resource planning, enterprise resource planning, nothing but the ERP.
Yes, sir.
So do you know there is a different types of ERPs also, you know? Yeah.
Yeah. No, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. Sir. Okay. Okay. See, there is in along with ERP also there different ERPs are there. SAP, PeopleSoft, and JD AdWords, this and all the applications only. So they can use on this ERP. They are calling as the ERP systems only. So we are using on the Oracle application, enterprise resource planning. We are using an ERP system. That in that ERP systems we are using an Oracle. Okay. So
Okay.
in the Oracle application, we are the different types of projects. You guys know? Anybody know what types of projects we have and what is our responsibility? What we need to learn? Hello. Anyone knows?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If you start any company, they want to implement the Oracle application. So then they will request it as the company. I want to implement this is to Oracle. Why they're going on PeopleSoft? Why they're not going on PeopleSoft under JD AdWords, SAP and all? Because it's more secured on Oracle applications. So because everyone having does not have the budget, so they're going to loan to take an uh, I mean they will take an loans perspective and it's a more secured Oracle. So that's the reason they're all guys are going to the Oracle only. Okay, it's security, more security compared to other applications. Oracle application is the more security compared to another SAP like JD AdWords are there, right? So more secure. So for that one, we are going to, there is a different types of project is there. So types of projects I will explain. Type of projects. So initially you need to know if you start in a job, if you start with your career, so you need to understand in the Oracle application, you need to understand this one. There is the types of project. One is a implementation project. Implementation project. In this implementation project is newly, there is nothing, there is no any reports, nothing is there. So you need to implement everything. I mean reports, there is a different, I'll explain you next step. So there is the implementation project is there and enhancement project is there. Enhancement project and support project is there. Data migration project. Rollout, rollout project. So these projects are this type of projects we have. Okay. So customization enhancement means, so implementation is a newly one. We need to develop on everything else newly. So if you started any company, there whatever there, everything we need to establish, right? If you are going to any house, you are constructed new house, so everything is new. There is nothing is there in build. So everything you need to develop out of whatever your requirement you are going to decide. Okay, that is the implementation project. Okay, second thing, enhancement project. So once implementation done, after that enhancement, so 5 years completed, implementation, the project happened. So I want to change some of things. So every day will going to change, right? So after 1 year, they want to add some of the columns and some of the different requirement will come. Then we need to go to the enhancement. Okay. And coming to support, once you are implemented, you should need to give the support of that project. So they're facing any issues. So we need to fix that one. That is the support projects. Okay. And data migration and also one more project also is the upgrade. Okay. So data migration is that data migration is nothing but there are, for example, Bangalore and Chennai is that the office is closed on the Chennai, and same all the information they're going to implement into the Bangalore location. So on that case, we are going to do the data migration project. It's a small type of projects. So whatever there in the data migration, I mean, whatever there in the Chennai location, all the items, all information, whatever information is there, all information we are migrate to the new office, that is Bangalore office. That projects is a data migration projects. And then next one is the rollout projects. Rollout means, say, so both are same, data migration and rollout. So the offices, wherever the location, new locations and is there. So we will go to the rollout also projects and upgrade. Upgrade means lower version to higher version. Okay. Lower version means, so there is a previous is 11A is there on Oracle application. Now it's an R12. So there is a different changes is there. Tables also changes is there in 11A to R12. So in coming to R12 also there is a different versions are there. 1.3, 1.9 like that. So that version to this version they're going to change on the upgrade. So in that upgrade, so they will change some columns, tables, everything they will need to retrofit, and we need to develop that reports. Okay, that is like a enhancement only. Is it clear types of projects? Any doubts from the types of projects? Hello?
No, sir.
We are coming to team. So there is a, as an Oracle application, there is a three persons are there. One is DBA, database administrator, and second person is the functional. So one is the DBA, database administrator. Second person is the functional. So third person is the technical. Okay. So DBA is what the job now. So they will do the system maintenance of the database administrator. So what is the Oracle application? The maintenance by the DBA people. Okay. So they're giving the patches, supply and services. They will give the different different instance they'll maintenance. So you are going to anything on migration perspective, you are developed any object, you need to do the, you need to send to the DBA. DBA will guide, I mean, you need to give the, prepare the documentation, you need to give to the DBA. DBA will help you. I mean, they will migration their job. Okay. If you are facing, you can see the system, you can please contact with the sysadmin like, so like that, if you're getting any issue, we need to contact with the DBA. The DBA, if you are facing any issue with the application login issues, everything, if you are facing any issue with application level or database level or server level, everything will take care by the DBA guys. Okay. So the second person is a functional. Functional means, so what are the setups? Everything is a setup in the application. Everything is taken by the functional. The functional is not going to write in a single code also, but he knows, he having some knowledge, but he is doing on all the setups. If you getting any issue with that, I'm getting a PO is not getting approved, PO, I'm getting this error, I'm getting this dialog box. I mean, if you are facing any issue, the quantity is not available, on hand quantity is not available. So everything you need to take help from the functional. The functional role is he is getting the requirement, he is gathering the requirement from the business. Okay, the mediator between the business and technical, the person is the functional person. He is taking the requirement and he is understanding everything. Then the functional people send to the technical person as per the business requirement. Okay. So whatever the requirement, everything gathering information, everything by the job is the functional people, and they will take the inputs and everything. The chances is there, is it possible or not? The functional people can able to find and they will confirm for us. Is it clear? And the last person is our role as a technical. As per their request, as per functional requirement, we are going to develop as a reports, interfaces, whatever they require, we need to develop as a technical developer. But as a 30%, we need to require as a functional knowledge. As we told that a P2P cycle and OT cycle, that is the flow of all the modules. It's covered the functional and finance and SCM models will cover. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt in the team details?
No, sir.
And the next one is the what is that? Technical and functional is done, and this is the roles. I mean, team roles. Every person having the roles, and then types of instances. Whatever. If you go in an implementation project, everything having the development one instance is a development instance that is called as a dev instance. We are calling as a dev instance, and the user acceptance test is there. That is UAT we are calling. Okay, and then production we are calling as a prod. So these all type of projects having these three instances. Okay, you guys clear? See, if anybody is asking which environment, you need to clear on that because you are not going to fresher also. If you're going to experience, if you are in fresher, you should need to understand what is the dev instance and what is the UAT instance, what is the prod. Prod is production environment. We are not getting any access. We can get only read-only access for this production. And UAT, we can close this. UAT means user acceptance. That is user going to validate. Okay. First, we can develop the any object in the dev environment. Then we will do the migration document. So while doing migration document, there is a different steps. I mean, through FND load commands is there. So we need to load the data and we need to send, we need to prepare the documents. There is a different. Next, I'll going to explain the topic of the documents. So this is a dev, UAT and prod. Okay. There is a coming to here. This is the implementation project, all type of projects we are going to work. So we can do it anything in the dev environment. We have full access. Whatever we can do in dev instance. Okay. If you go on support project, it's daily is this production copy. Daily it's clone. Daily, I mean, copy we will get a daily, one instance. So this instance maintained by the DBA people. Okay. All database, application server, everything maintained by the DBA. Okay. You guys are clear, right? So
Yes, sir.
next, the documentation wise, document wise, there is a MD50, MD70, MD120 document. MD70, MD50, I'll read it first. Okay, this type of documents is there. This is the functional people can create. Okay. This also I'll explain in clearly what we are need to do. Okay. So BR100 document is a setup document. So if you are going to implement any new projects, so on that case, the functional people knows what are the setups that are done. Okay. All information is stored into the BR100 document. So whatever the company they want to record, as I told you, right, in the GL code combinations, in FlexiFields, so what are the setups they want to record? So all information they're going to store in the BR100. And coming to MD50 document, if you are developing any reports, the functional people, they will give you the MD50 document. What is the content of the report? What is the use of that report? Why they're going to develop this report? And what is the functionality? What is the parameter? What is the range based you are passing the parameters? All information as a functional requirement, all the details you can able to see in the MD50 document. Okay. Next, coming to technical, MD70 document is nothing but the technical document. That is, you can clearly, that is whatever you are written the pseudo code. As I told you, right, just now, order information, line information, what are tables we are used, what are value sets we are used, what are the total information we are going to put into the MD70. Okay. And next one, MD120. This is a migration document. So this document is for the migration to the DBA team. So we can clearly mention where is going to store. This is the files you need to take from the server. Everything you need to inform into MD120. And CV20 means conversions. That is the functional, and CV40 is the technical. These are the documents. Okay. Anybody knows what is the RISE components? RISE components. RISE components. Anybody knows?
It's an abbreviation for reports, interface, version.
Sorry?
It's an abbreviation where R stands for reports and I stands for interface, C for conversion, and E is for that I don't remember, sir.
Okay. So RISE component means reports, interfaces, conversions, and extensions. Okay. You are clear, right? So R for reports, I for interfaces, C for conversions, E for extensions. Okay. This reports, interface, conversion, this all combined, everything you should need to know, then only can able to survey in the market, because RISE component is more important. Reports are different. This is a reporting tool. Okay. So there is a different reports as that. So based upon the business requirement, we are going forward, we are going to develop. So this is the interfaces. This is the conversions. Interfaces means we are loading the data from the other party to the Oracle applications. Oracle. So we are loading the third party to the system here. So that is the interfaces, and conversion also is the only one-time process, interface and conversions. Okay. Then extensions. Extension is the forms. Okay. So interfaces and conversions means interfaces. For example, one supermarket is there. So in the supermarket, every day, night at 10 o'clock, I'm going close the market. So I'm using a different third-party system. Okay. So I want to load all the information to the Oracle. So 10 o'clock, I'm shut down my shop. So there is no any transaction after that. So what I'll do scheduling in a program. I will prepare in a program. All data I'm putting into the one server. So what will happen daily 11 p.m. they will load the data. I mean, if you're putting the file there, they will take in the file content lakhs of records in there. So the data is pulling and they will going to dump into the Oracle. Daily 11 o'clock, I'm going to schedule like that program. I'm build the program. So whatever there in the Excel sheet, all information it's loaded into the Oracle. This is daily program. This is called the interfaces. Conversion means it's only one time process. Like price list. Yearly once only I'm going to update my price list. All items. Okay. That is a price list. So only that is only one time process. Only one time process we are going to use on conversion. Okay. This is the RISE components. Okay. Is it clear as of now? This is basic things you should need to understood before going to start any P2P cycle, OTF cycle. Also, you should need to understand in the why you are learning on a Oracle application on the ERP. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is most important. These informations you should need to record, and as well as modules. So can you tell me what is the financial modules? What are there in the financial modules?
There we have some account details.
Yeah, tell me the what are the responsibilities? I want to, what are the financial modules? What do you guys know? You have done the P2P and O2C. Tell me the P2P and O2C. I mean, tell me the financial modules first of all.
So purchasing, vision operations.
No, purchasing is a, as I told you, as a purchasing as a financial module.
So this comes under financial only, P2P.
Yeah, payable one module. That is account payables. One module is a finance module.
Account
We
receivable.
can call as a AP. Yeah,
Account general. Yeah, general ledger.
General ledger.
general ledger. That is GL. And receivables.
Yes, sir.
And receivables, that is account receivables, that is we can call as a AR. Account receivables, AR. So as of now, you guys, you should note these financial modules. Please clear on this. This is a financial modules. Okay. So coming to fixed asset is there. And the project accounting is there. Projects. That is called PA. And FA. And cash management also is there. But we are not going to use any cash management. Okay. But majorly we are using this thing. Account payables, general ledgers, account receivables. Okay. Coming to SCM means supply chain management. SCM models. SCM models means supply chain management models. So it's in inventory, OM order management. Before on that purchasing. Okay. These three are the SCM models. Supply chain management. So if anybody asking which models you are comfortable, you should need to tell which model you are comfortable. Either finance or if you go to the organization, they will give the only inventory as a technical water there in there. So only they're taking only inventory model they will take. They won't give any another module also. You need to work only inventory model, only order management model, only purchasing model. If you go to the supply, I'm the expertise on the supply chain management model means I should know each and every point on these three things. Okay. So, but if you go to the financial models, these are the financial models. First three you should need to fulfill. If you ask any question also, you should ready to answer on this thing, which is comfortable. They will ask the first question in the interview, which model you are comfortable. It comes under the OTC means it's supply chain management. P2P means finance modules. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you go to them, like Infosys, if you are going, they will give only order management only, not going to any other than. If you learn all the things, you will get more chances, you can get more projects, you can able to work more. So that's the reason we are working, we are learning all modules. Okay, but you should need to one or two modules is a expertise you are in the module side. Okay. So if you go to the order management, everything you should need to know what will happening in the sales order. So how the data is coming, how the data is flowing. I mean, how the pick reel is happening. What is the strip stop program doing? What is the pack slip doing? What is the pick slip doing? Okay, what is the shipping information? Why is going wrong? Anything happened? Why is the back order? Why is the drop shipment? Everything you should need to know. Then only you are the expertise down to the order management. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt as
Yes.
of now for this? So modules and financial and manufacturing modules is there. Manufacturing modules is WIP and bond, bill of materials, work in process. This is the manufacturing. It comes this also. Inventory also it will come. Okay. But bill of material is it's under interrelated between the SCM. Manufacturing. Okay. Warehouse management system also is there. WMS also is there. What is this? WMS, warehouse management system. Okay. Work in process, bill of material. Without this knowledge, you can't able to go outside. Anybody, I'm saying, just you should need to understand this is the before going any project, anything, you should need to know this thing. What you are doing, what is your job, and what is your role also. Okay. You know, right? What is your role now? Venkat, what is your role, Venkat, in Oracle applications?
So whatever difficulty the functional people are facing, so behind that we'll be
Yes,
working on that as a technical person.
Sorry, can you repeat? Can you repeat once again?
So whatever error the functional people are getting on the
The
front.
functional people getting error, that is a functional role is a different. What is your role in the Oracle
Yes, sir.
application?
That's
What
what I
you are
was
learning?
saying. As a technical person, we have to see at the back end where we are getting the error, and we have to resolve that.
No, that is the wrong answer. So what is what you are learning from here? In the Oracle application, now you are coming to class and what you are learning?
We are learning now we are learning the functional aspect of the application.
Because you are as a technical consultant. You should need to tell I am a technical consultant. I am learning the developer. My role as I'm an expertise under the RISE components. The
Yes.
functional, I'm saying just I'm giving. So why you need to learn on P2P cycle and what is cycle? You should need to 30% of the functional flow of the business.
Yes.
Okay. You're not say like I'm doing on background, I mean back end, I'm doing on queries. That is not correct answer. You should need to give the as a technical developer, I'm going to develop, I'm developer. You're the developer. You are assuming, you should need to assume like I'm a developer, I need to develop a report, I'm going to develop interfaces, I'm going to do on conversion, everything you need to do like that. You need to think like that.
Yes.
Okay, that is errors and all not that is errors. It's coming as a different issue. That is a functional role, not as a technical role. You are the technical. This is a technical developer class, not in a functional class.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Manohar, what you are understood, Manohar? Manohar, are you there?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
what you are understood, Manohar? from this class?
Yes, today is my first class, huh?
Okay. What you are understood in first class? That is great.
Yeah. Yeah, I can understand financial management.
Management.
Yeah, financial. Yes,
Hmm?
yes, I can understand. Accounts payable, receivable, and
Okay, what
inventory
is that?
management.
What is
Yes.
that? What is it? Account payables, account receivable, what is that? Can you tell me what is the supply
Yes.
chain management models?
Supply chain management. Inventories.
Hmm? You are listening or what?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm listening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rupa, can you tell me what is a SEM models? Hello. Are you able to hear Rupa? Santosh? Hello. Santosh, are you there? Shivani? Pratap? Is there, guys? Mega?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what are the financial models, Mega?
In financial, we have 4 to 5 types. Like there, we have this account receivable, account payable, general ledger. And in a technical, we are like we have 3 roles like inventory, and purchasing and order management. If you means there, any can we can choose one like what applications.
Okay. So remaining guys are in mute, right? So what they're doing? Anybody? I can hear about only Venkat and Madhusudan only, Mega only, Manohar. Remaining all, hello. Okay. Anybody tried creating another new responsibility? I mean, are you guys can able to create? Let me. I'll show you the how to. You are going to create a new responsibility. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, not your new user. Okay. Instead of going to operations, you guys can create the your usernames. Okay,
Okay,
and you
sir.
can assign the things. Okay, you can work out there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes.
what are the major issues you are feel, because you are going to, if you should need to feel like you're in the organization due to your joining in the organization. So that's the reason I'm going to explain on that. That is normal way is in a different. This is the everything is the real time classes. If you go day one to office, they will give what they're giving. So this pre information you should need to understood.
Hmm.
Okay, this information you should need to understood. Then only you can go ahead. Okay. So if
Okay.
you go to the office, they will give the application name, username and password, and database username and password. WinSAP server details, username and password. So every application having the different usernames and passwords. Dev environment is different, EAT is different, prod is different. Okay. So everything having the application username and password different. Okay. And database username and password different. So there is a three instance, three usernames and three passwords from the application. And database, three username and three passwords. So total three application, you will get six usernames and six passwords. Username should might be same or different, but passwords, I mean, username will be same, but passwords is going to differ. Okay.
Yeah.
Go to this administrator. So there is a AVOL objects. AVOL objects nothing but there is a two models it will come. Application developer and a system administrator. Everything in the system administrator, I will explain you all these information and all. Okay. First, you need to extract it. If you click extract it, all information we can see. Okay. You can able to see, right? All information. So minimize it. And one more option is Control L. What is a shortcut key? Control L. That function key. So entire of the whatever the column you want record, you can, for example, I want to create a user. If you click on user, you can get. Normally, where is this navigation? I don't know. So I know the only the column. I mean, which is I know the only the column where we need to go and define. So I know the only user. So what I need to go say Control L. That is a function key, and you can click on user. It will go into directly that. If you click on here user, okay. So let me, if you click here like also, it's going this page only. Let me control Y. I am going to Control L. So because you are going to an experience, you should need to know these informations. You're not in a freshers. Okay. Click on users and click users. Then you need to enter your username. Okay. So for example, what is showing here?
Username already exists.
Already exists.
Name is
So
already.
this is already existed. Okay. MP104. Okay. So so this is the mandatory column. Yellow fields are the mandatory column. Grayed out is not, you are not able to enter. This is the optional. You are clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And just I enter my username. Okay. And the next one is the password. I will enter my password. Then again press tab. Okay. Again it will ask second time. You can observe in the re-enter your password to verify. You can able to see, right?
Yes.
So Oracle. So because why it's because I'm giving the different password. First time and second time is giving different. So it's not going to allow. Again, I need to give the exact passwords. Just I'm again giving the tab. So now it's fine. Okay. So I'm giving the batch 104. I can give anything. Okay, description mentioning like your name like that. Okay. Then you need to see the buyer name. Okay. Normally you can give the your name only. Myself Manjuna they'll give, but the invalid value because it should not be there. It should need to come in the here only. So this is the value set. I will explain you on this value set also. You can see this what are their names you should need to select. Otherwise you can't. No issues. Okay. This employee information, all the buyer information. Okay. Just I cancel. And I want to give my mail ID also I can give. And fax number I can give. When it's start dated and it's end dated I can. So if the person is exit from the organization, we can give the end date of the person. No, we are not, we are giving the effective date only. We are not, see, supposed to this and all, you are not going to create that. The DBA will create and they will give to you. Okay.
Yes.
Who is going to create? DBA will create and they will give your username and password. Okay, just and click on responsibility, application developer. This is object application object library and sysadmin. If you know only these three things, just you can tab it. You can see all the responsibilities. Okay. Then next, payables. There is a, you can see the all payable vision operations, right? We are seeing.
Yes.
Payable vision,
Okay.
payable vision operation, yes, right? Yeah. Okay. So if you go to the real time, they will give you the different. You can't able to. You are not able to see the this responsibility. There is a called as a super user, payable super user, like that is there. Okay, because they are changed as a customization. Like I mean, project is the like any company name like Accenture payable super user, like that is there. Okay. So then order management I'll give. These responsibilities are created by the who is going to create it?
DBA.
Responsibilities.
User.
No, wrong.
System
This
administrator.
responsibility, who is going to create? No,
Administrator, sir.
no,
Oracle.
no. Functional people going to create these responsibilities and everything. User will, this user created by the DBA, but responsibilities are created by the functional people.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
these, what are the responsibility? What is the naming conversion? What are the menus I need to disable? What is the functions I need to disable? This information, everything taking from the, what I told you on a BR100 document. There they give the all those things, information. What are the responsibility? What are the things you want? They will give, they will do it everything. There is it, order management, vision super. Okay. Just if I click on save, its 5 records are saved upright. So if I click here, you can able to see here record history, who is created, operation person created, okay, updated by, what is the table, F&D user. Okay.
Sir, here I want to ask question.
Yeah.
We saved that like that record, right? Like user, our user is created. Again, if you want to add some responsibility, then how come we will add that?
Yeah, good. So let me, I'll show you. This is the username as the MP104, right? So
Yes.
you can able to see here. This is user ID. This is the primary ID. Okay. What is this username and when is created? Okay. And the creation date and created by, and all information, what is the description, everything, and mail IDs, everything we can able to see, and the employee ID details also is there. Okay. Employee ID is there, right? Because I am not an employee, so that's the reason it's going to an employee. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to see the responsibilities. Okay, if I click here and I can see here, what is the responsibility? Responsibility group. So F&D responsibility, we can see. Let me, I'll open the here. So F11, close this thing. So mega, right? Just now you asked.
Yes, sir.
So this is the MP, right? So I am going to query mode. control. Now it came, right? So you can click on this plus symbol in the top left hand side, create new.
Okay.
Okay. You can enter the purchasing. So, sorry. We can anytime we can come and we can give. If you have the access from the sysadmin, you can come and you can give. Is it clear, Mega?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you,
So
sir.
just I added the purchasing now. So if I want to end it, I can put an end it. After that, you can't able to see. Okay, click on save. Let me, I'll open the my responsibility. Just you can file, exit Oracle applications. Click on OK. Let me, I'll go. This is called as a Java Forms. So first time, while doing on first time, they will ask like that. You can enter, I will enter this thing. Please try to create own your thing. Okay. So first time they will ask the password like this. Okay. Is it clear now? Just try to create everybody as the different own users. So now you can able to see, right? Only I can able to see this thing. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
there is a one problem. So if you click on the purchasing, if you click on any entries, any invoices also, they you don't have an setups access. Okay. Like purchasing, let me also choose the purchasing. So purchasing, you can't able to open the any orders. Because what is the C? What is this?
You're not, setup is not there.
Sorry?
Setup, we didn't get setup
What
for
is that?
purchasing.
You are not a setup a worker. That is, you don't have for the particular user does not having the buyer setup. That is called as a buyer setup. You does not have. You are the not an employee of this organization. So that's the reason it's throwing an error. So what you need to do? Go here. Just okay. Go to sysadmin. So you need to check which is the correct one, which is the buyers, which is the employees are there. Let me left level. So there is a person is there, right? Copy the person name. This is the employee guy. Okay. This is the active status. You can copy this person name. I mean, everybody can paste it. Okay, no issues. Huh? So here you can give F11. You can enter the your name. You can status is active and you can enter the employee name. So they're saying that the employee is already assigned to the another user. No issues. We can enter the multiple users. Click on enter. Okay. Just save it. Once saved, you can able to see that transaction is completed, one record applied and saved. Okay. Then you need to go here. So normal you can go purchasing, purchase order, purchase orders. Now you can able to open the purchase order. Clear? So this is the problem that this is will facing the issue because the DPA does not give this access to you. So what you need to do, you can see the functional, who is the manager is that right? The username is that right? So you know the username. You can take that username and what is the setup for the person employee of the setup. Same thing you can paste it from there. Okay. And also if you go to the shipping, there is the access is there. Grant access. Order management super not this is a user, not in a super user. So see, this is the different and that is order management super user vision operation. Order management super user having the full access, all the details. See, you can you are not able to see the all the informations. Let me, I'll add it the exact correct responsibility. Okay. Order, manage, so order management super user, vision operation USA we need to put. ఇక్కడ. Super user you need to select. So now we can compare the previous and this one. This is only user. This is a super user. User, you can see user, what is the only some of the menus are there. This is called as a menus. Okay. This is functions and menus are there. So this and all functions, small functions are there. You can see here. This is the original functions. Okay. Same like that, they will restrict only whatever they need to record. That is a function they will filter out. So you need to give the everybody some setup is there. Setup, shippings, should need to give the grant and the roles and this thing. Okay. You are clear, right? So everybody once you created, you can give your username. Then only you can able to book the orders and pick, release, shift, confirm. On that time it should not come. So this is the technical. You are an experienced person. You should need to know this thing. Okay. Upgrade role. Just you can save it. So then only you can able to do the any shipping and pick, release and all. Okay. Clear on that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will continue on tomorrow. I'll explain you the AOL objects. You want to remove the, I want to remove that responsibility, right? Go to sysadmin. Again, go to the security, user, define, F11, MP104. You can, this responsibility I don't want, which is user I don't want. So I can give the end date. I can end date it or we can clear out the record. Okay. So generally we are not going to clear. Generally we put an end date, so it's not coming on the visible from next day onwards. If we click on save, okay, we can see. Right? So I'll continue on tomorrow on AOL objects and sysadmin, because you should need to know these basics. Then only you should need to learn going forward. Whatever if I am saying, so you can easily understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Sir.
you.
Thank you.